Good morning, YouTube. I'm Augie F. This is Riot, my 2022 KTM 390 adventure, and I've got a special announcement to make. Welcome to the channel. Fancy seeing a Bangalore number plate because that's what my announcement was about. I will be riding to Bangalore on the 19th of March and conducting a meetup in association with 6K Isle of Man on the 20th of March. Registration details for those of you who want to sign up for it, and I'm saying sign up but there's no cost involved. It's just so that we know how many people will be turning up so that we can make arrangements over there. All of that will be in the description of this video, and I look forward to meeting each and every one of you there. It has been a while since I've been to Bangalore, and I think the last time I was there, well, riding to Bangalore, that is. I have flown into Bangalore for work quite a few times between the last visit and now. I think the last time I was there on a motorcycle was about 7 years ago, if I'm not mistaken, and that was on the Benelli TNT 600i when I was riding to Pondicherry for India Bike Week's Iconic 5 celebrations. Now, some of you might be asking why 6K Isle of Man and why on a weekday? Well, 6K Isle of Man have been conducting a coffee sit-down sort of session with content creators and motorcyclists from around the country. I believe they had Dino, they had Papa Sar last week. They had quite a few other renowned content creators, and I'm honored to be part of the list and to be invited for such a session. They do it every Thursday. It starts from 7 p.m. onwards or 7:30 p.m. onwards, and it goes on till, well, whenever you guys wanted to go on till. Also, as you can see, I'm testing out the new Advento Pro gloves from Rhinox on my ride to work, and this is so that I can break them in before the long ride to Bangalore. I've also got updated riding gear, so I've got an Advento Pro jacket and pant that I will be wearing for the ride. Need to break those into somewhere during these weekends that show up before the 19th, probably on the Holy Weekend. The weather has been insane over the last few days here in Mumbai, and I don't expect it to get any better on the way to Bangalore either. So I am preparing for the heat, and I am also packing accordingly. The riding gear that I'll be wearing is some of the lightest stuff that I've owned till date, and I'll probably make a separate video about that also. And I'll be carrying a special hydration backpack too with really chilled water and some additional refreshments to keep me fresh and well, awake during the long ride that awaits me. Also, 6K Isle of Man have their own YouTube and Instagram channels. They do go live on the YouTube channel whenever there's a coffee session at their store. So I'll put a link in the description to that, and also put a call out on the screen for you guys to follow them so you don't miss out on the live session in case you're not from Bangalore and you would not be able to attend. If you're from Bangalore, I'm hoping you're going to be there. In case you're wondering why a Riot is as dirty as it is, well, I just literally came back from Delhi from the Car and Bike Awards for 2025. Landed at about 5 o'clock back in Mumbai, slept for 3 hours, and then, well, I'm heading to work now for a 9:30 shift. And the bike was parked away from my regular parking spot, so yeah, it is a bit unclean. Anyway, I don't want to stretch this video for too long and dilute the information that I'm trying to put across. 7:30 on the 20th of March. See you guys at 6K Isle of Man. Registration details in the description. As always, guys, at least wear your helmets while riding your motorcycles and ride safe. It's a freaking jungle out there. Goodbye.